Once upon a time, there was a boy. He had so many bad habits. His parents worried about his bad habits. With no more options, the parents went to his grandfather and asked to his grandfather to wean the boy from all his bad habits. The grandfather agreed and decided to help the boy.
Hello Grandpa, how are you?
Fine, come let's go to the garden.
There were so many varieties, plants and trees in the garden.
First, they saw a little plant.
My dear, it's very easy.
The boy pulled it out with his fingers very easily. They saw a slightly bigger plant.
Pull it out.
Initially, he could not accomplish this task. He continued and tried. Finally, he succeeded and gave to his grandfather. And they saw a bigger plant.
Go and uproot the tree.
Boy was go to try tree and he could not and so, but he tried very hard. He gave up his times and he walked back to his grandfather.
Drink water, sit for a while.
After some time,
My dear, you done whatever I told, but you do the reason? I don't know, Grandpa, but you are trying to convey something. What is that, Grandpa? You uproot the tiny plant easily with some effort and uproot the bush even. After trying really, uproot the tree fail. Am I right? Yes, Grandpa. Bad habit just like a tree, we cannot uproot them. So get rid your bad habits before too late.
after hearing his bad habits, he realized his mistakes.
Thank you, Grandpa. I promised you I will lead a good and disciplined life.
Moral: don't cultivate bad habits. Thank you.